My girl, I see. Look at, yes, this is my girl. This is a OOTD. Oh my god, don't play. Yep, one and only. I didn't say you bodyguard. I look so rusty, you guys, and I don't really like looking rusty in my vlogs, but yeah, this is totally. Anyways, look at it back. Yeah, it's a lot. Let me show you guys my wallpaper. Okay, let me just shift this one. No, you guys, look at my wallpaper. Look at my wallpaper, you guys. It is so cute. Look at the baddie. Look at the baddie on the screen. It's cute, but I wanted to change my wallpaper so bad, you guys, but that's the least of my words right now. So I need to read, okay? Reading is my priority right now. So let's get back to it. It's a lot, you guys. I'm actually tired, by the way, but we have no options, we have no choice. We gotta read it. So, yeah. I don't know where this vlog is going. You guys, if I posted this part of the vlog, you guys already know what the title of the vlog is, because honestly speaking, at this point, I don't know. My brain is like all over the place. So I don't really know what the title of the vlog is gonna be, but regardless, you guys are gonna see. I know the vlog is gonna be jaunty, it's gonna be bits and bobs of everything. It's gonna be a lot, but you guys are gonna bear with me. Okay, I'm trying to be consistent, and I know you guys must be wondering where I've been for this past like 3 weeks or something. It's a lot has been going on, honestly, but that's gonna be a whole video for another day. So let's read more and get you. Good morning, you guys. Today is officially exam day. I have my Nclex exam today. I'm going to be sitting for 2 days actually, but today is the first day. You guys, pray for me, you guys, pray for me, because this exam marks me having my license. So pray for me. I've been reading my brains out, I don't know when last I picked up this camera, honestly. I think it's been weeks or so since I think the last thing I vlogged was, is it me studying or is it me going to for fitting? I don't know, but you guys are gonna see it either way. But yeah, period. Good morning, you guys. I don't know what this is. I think today is the 28th. It is convention day. It's actually a couple days since I last vlog, like since I last picked up this camera. But either way, as you can see, I know I look rusty, but I'm gonna change that way soon. But today is convention day, and I'm going to get ready for you guys. I know it's been a while. Okay, it's been a while. So yeah, let's get into it. Huh? Wait a second. Okay. Anyways, guys, we are going to start with installing the wig because I want to install the wig and then let it be sitting till I'm done getting ready. So yeah, this is my wig, so let's get started with that. I have this mini purse that I have everything inside. It's basically a bunch of everything, you know. So yeah, let me look for a wig cap. Okay, my wig band, and then I have this glue tape that I got from Shein. So we're gonna be using that. What should I put this? Okay. So first thing first, we're gonna be wearing the wig cap. If you see me looking this way, it's because I have the camera there. So I want to see if you guys are actually seeing me properly. So I'm using this wig cap, by the way. Ignore the hole on it. First, we're gonna lay this one down. I'm using this edge control, by the way. So I want to lay my edges. Okay.
You don't pose that, eh?
The scissors, you guys, once again. By the way, that reminds me, your girl got our first PR package. It's been weeks, y'all. I did an unboxing video for TikTok, so I'm sorry you guys that I ghosted you guys here, but I've been trying to be consistent on TikTok, so make sure to go follow my TikTok because I've been posting vlogs back to back. But I did an unboxing video for TikTok. This is the brand that sent me their PR package. It's my Sarah. So if you want to see the unboxing video, check out my TikTok. We are rushing because it's going to be 7. So let's try to get this tape. This is the other stuff. Yo, I'm not a weak professional nutritionist. And the wig is supposed to look like A and it look like B. Here's your mouth, here's your front. Thank you. I just finished doing whatever I need to do in my hair, so now I'm going to install my nails. I have this question that I've been having it for like probably so let's fix those. Let's install the nails. The 5. It's the day that I want you to. I need an Oscar award. I'm so sorry, this morning has been bumpy, but we're gonna start installing the nails real quick because we're rushing up. I don't want to be late either way. I've just finished prepping the nails that I need, so I'm going to clean up any excess oil on my natural nails by firing them, and then we'll install the nails. So that will take. You guys, it has been a lot has been going on. As most of you guys know, I'm graduating this year in December 19th, so it's a lot. Hey guys, when I'm done, I'm going to do the remaining thing off camera. So yeah, I'm done. Okay, don't play. Book me for your hairstyle, girls. Let's swear. I need to say, but like, I'm all done. I'm so sorry, guys, for running late. And this wig complements my skin so much. I'm hot. Oh my goodness, let me show you. Let's see. I'm hot. It is the second day, you guys. I know I didn't vlog much yesterday. I just don't like vlogging when I'm in the presence of God like that. But yeah, today is day 2 and it is baptism day. Yeah, period. I want to show you guys my full fit. Oops, 1 second, please. Yeah, I look so cute. Look at my skin. I love it. Let me show you how the full fit. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing. You guys can see the bottom there. Let me try and show you the bottom. Yeah, this is the full fit. I have on these gold slippers. These gold heels, by the way. They are heels, but they are gold. What am I saying? Yeah, here's what I go. Anyhow, I have these gold heels on, and yeah, it's giving corporate. It's giving that girl. Period. Looking like 10 plus 10 minus nothing. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Good morning, you guys. It is day 3. This is the fit. Let me show you my full fit. I like stunning outcome. Book me for a wig installation because this is tea. days. Oh my days. You guys, I'm in a rush. Oh my gosh. I'm about to go collect my graduation gown. It is available right in the campus. It's graduation month, y'all. Oh my days. I'm so excited. I'm on my way now to go collect my gown. Honestly, I thought it was supposed to be on Wednesday, but my friend just called me and she was like, hey, we're going to hurry up because they just passed your name. And I'm like, when? How? Really? But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Guys, I'm just on my god. Oh my god. Period, mama. Period. Don't play with me. I'm graduating, period. Period. Your latest registered nurse in town. Don't play with me, mama. Don't play with me.